my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Happy Monday, my darlings. I'm wishing all of you a fabulous week. I am wishing myself also a fabulous week. Stay positive. Don't worry about anything. Just keep going. Sometimes that's all that you need, and then everything will unravel by itself. Needless to say, why are we here? We are here, darlings, because you're keeping me busy with Desmond's card. A lot of you sent me so many updates, and I thought I would just put it in this episode as an update to reiterate what I said last week. So Desmond has moved into his new place. We could see him in his kitchen, putting his pots and pans away, and it was lovely to see that he's getting on with his life. But I also wanted to ask you guys, do you think that he just moved into his apartment now? Do you not think that he went to look for an apartment months ago even? Do you think that he just went ahead now just only to pay for the deposit and then the first 2-3 months of rent? Do you think that all of this is brand spanking new? No, it's not. This relationship with our beautiful KRISTY, Sarah and Desmond, I would not be surprised to an extent if they are not even capitalizing on this as well. You know why? Because they have sat down months, maybe even a year plus, to say this is not working out. But because they had contracts, remember I told you that this is a show, that this is a what? That this is show business. They said we will continue with the charade until the contracts expire. They're not enemies. They've got children. And one of their followers saw them wear Disneyland with the children, looking like a very, very normal couple. To the point that she wrote, "Oh my God, I don't think that they have divorced. Look at them together." And somebody in the comment section said, "You're over there, you've seen them, and then you're coming to social media to ask us that are they divorced, are they not divorced?" That reiterates how much you are not in their lives. You do not know what's happening behind the scenes. Last time I checked, do you have a personal phone number? Do you have a personal email? Are you a neighbor? No, you are not. This was show business. They gave you a show on Instagram, on TikTok, about their wonderful family, about their children. That was business on show. They were paid for all of that, for the clothes that she was given, for maybe products that they were supposed to present. And so they said, you know what, we'll package it like this. And again, you guys bought it. You bought into it. All these influencer couples, don't buy into it. Enjoy it because you are being entertained. That's it. Other than that, nothing. Nada. Nada what? Nada. He has his beautiful kitchen. Do you think he just moved in? Do you think that he just moved in this weekend after being seen at the club with the girlfriend? Or for those of you that have your own places, does that make sense? You know, it takes at least a month for you to find a place, for you to sign all of the papers, for you to find a place that's close to your children. Because he's going to be an active participant there. And while we're on the subject, I want to reiterate that I do not in any way, shape and form support infidelity. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I am just letting you know that this is life. If they were not the KRISTY, Sarah and Desmond of Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, would you even care? Would you have even cared? No. But because you lived vicariously through a show that they presented to you, you are so shocked. You're the last to know about their relationship. They sat down, they talked about it, they knew what they were going to put onto social media to announce. And then after that, they said, okay, fine, you guys can know. And the whole world has gone crazy. Oh my God, KRISTY and Desmond. But KRISTY and Desmond have been done 2 years ago. It's only that they're comfortable now to let you know that, you know what, we are kind of done, but we are still together. They've got 2 kids together. He will raise those children with KRISTY, Sarah. He's now said, KRISTY, Sarah, go ahead. We've made so much money. Go ahead and continue to do what you're doing. I don't want to be in your way. And that's another reason why I said they've been at this charade for a minute. Because Desmond would have said, let me continue to do this because I don't want to, cut in her money. I want her to make this contract. And when we signed the contract, we were together talking about money. Of course, he's going to make his money. And of course, they're going to split the money in a way that they think it's fair. This is a family that you do not know. You only know a certain side to them. All the other important sides, you do not know. You do not know. You're not familiar with them at all. And I say that because the girl that saw them, or the person, I don't know whether it's a guy or a girl. Let me grab my phone so that I can have it right here. Yeah. Yes. Guys, why is everyone talking about them divorcing? I literally just saw them at Disney today together. But she wouldn't dare go up to them and say, are you guys divorcing? Why? She does not know them like that. And they might not even give her access to any kind of information whatsoever. They're there with their children. Regular, normal family. And he will be there for Christmases, for birthdays. He will go on vacations with them, whatever. And finally, the girlfriend or the lady that he was kissing, because remember I said in my last episode that this girl doesn't matter. You can source her out. You can go and find out who she is. It was a moment in time that he just wanted to enjoy. The drinks were hitting and it was dark. And he was like, why not? TMZ was there to capture the whole thing, to the point that she said TMZ even asked her a couple of questions before they ran it.
I'm gonna say this one time and one time only. I am not the one he cheated with. Everyone involved in the situation knows that it was not me. And let's clear the air right now. I am definitely not transgender. I've always been a girl. I was born a girl. I am a girl. I'm just a girl. I love being a girl. No offense to the transgenders. And why are you guys calling a clearly straight man gay as an insult? I thought that was something we don't do in 2026. I did not call TMZ on myself. All the information that was released about me is public information and it's listed on my Instagram. They reached out to me the day they were going to release it, saying that they had confirmed who I was and if I wanted to add anything on and make a statement, which is when I told them that I did not know who he was prior and that we had barely met that night. I'm pretty sure when you guys meet someone at a club, you don't interrogate them about who or what their social media status is. We were obviously many drinks in. The vibes were there, as you could tell. They are divorced. The ink is definitely dry. Most of you guys don't actually know these people. I don't have kids. I don't cook. I don't really watch family content. I'm not on that side of TikTok. Also, there's so many fake accounts of me right now and a whole fake relationship. I don't have a boyfriend. This is my only TikTok account. I've also seen so many TikTok stories that said I asked him to buy me a bottle, which is insane work. I would never do that. So I'm gonna get hate regardless if I post a video or not, but I just wanted to clear my name because again, I am not the woman that he cheated with. Moral of the story, nobody knows what goes on behind closed doors and it should never reach the extent of having death threats to you or your family.
And she's not trans. She's a very attractive girl with that beautiful hair. That gorgeous, gorgeous hair. So you are out here saying A, B, C. Oh my God, he did this. Oh, he hated her. Oh, he this, that, and the third. We don't know, including me. What I do know for fact is that we don't know. How about that? What I know for a fact is that we don't know anything about them. The only thing that we do know is what they tell us. So if you're out here assuming and, having all of these stories about them and telling them, you're wasting your time. It would be so much better to redirect and focus all of that energy into your own life, into your own progress, into your reading, into your fitness regime, into your studying, into your own family, into repairing your own marriage, into accepting the fact that I do not know anything about these online couples out here. You don't. You absolutely do not. You don't. You absolutely what? You absolutely do not, my darlings. That's all I gotta say on this topic. I live for you. I love you so very much, Fumi Nation. And I'm out here to really be honest and give you a very sincere and transparent perspective on what this is. A lawyer is a lawyer. A doctor is a doctor. You see him where? You see him in the hospital. You will see a lawyer in court. You'll see an architect at a construction building. You'll see a teacher in school. And you will see influencers in the social media space. We are all working. It's work. It's an episode of a hot topic or whatever. If I do that episode and it garnishes a lot of views, what does that tell me? It tells me that that is what you are interested in. It tells me that that is what you like. So guess what? Tomorrow, the day after that, next week, all month, that's what I'll be doing. You know why? Because you are the ones that dictate to me what you want to watch. Hence why I say it might be my channel, but it is your show. The second you stop watching her doing all of these antics, that very same second after that, she won't do it anymore. Why? It's not profitable to her. It's not. Why would you do something that nobody wants to watch? Do not forget, my darlings, to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, baby. And I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. What am I wearing? I am wearing an old dress. It has to be 15 years old. I bought this when I was living in Norway. And it is a Versace in collaboration with H&M. And this is the back. It's a really cute, mini dress. And I love the tassels. There was a time when I was in love with tassels. Everything had to be tassels. And so I decided to wear this today. All right, my darlings. I love you. I love you. I love you. Happy Monday. And you take good care of yourselves. Okay? Mwah. Love you. Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Some of you might know when I started having my meet and greets, the first meet and greet that I ever had was at OPV Beauty's beauty salon. And I have loved their products. I have loved their brand ever since. Anyway, my darlings, we have for OPV Beauty your portable beauty stand where you can put all of your makeup and all of your stuff together. It's like a roll-on suitcase and it's the most beautiful color. It's a wonderful rose gold pink. So you just take it up like this and you can just roll it out. It's so perfect when you're traveling. It's so perfect when you're going for your events and stuff. You just have it like so. Put it on a chair. You're good to go. So let us open it. And please do not forget, my darlings, to use my discount code. Oh, look at the sensationalism of it all. A mirror here. And then, my darlings, just look. It lifts out and you have your makeup tray over here. Is this not gorgeous? Look at how fabulous this is. And then you have a tray here where you can put in all of your lipsticks. I am living and loving. You can put in your makeup brushes. And then look at this fabulous vanity brush of which you can use for your foundation and smooth it over. I really wanted to display it for you and see how it looks so that you guys can go to their website and get it. It was £600. It's now what? So you have to absolutely what? Go and get yours. All of my loves, my darlings, and I hope you enjoy your treat. Don't forget to use Fumi all across the website at OPV Beauty. Mwah. All of my love.
Guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking